Hello to everybody. FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers. For the date of 13 August 2018, we start our everyday's view of analysis of different currency pairs trading in the world foreign exchange markets. Today, market commentators called the day as a kind of Black Monday because of really sharp moves we have been witnessing in the some kind of euro crosses. For example, that's because of rising tensions associated with Turkey's financial crisis. As you know, the last article in the Financial Times, where they told that two sources familiar with European Central Bank told that European Central Bank members are really upset with current exposure of some of Italian, Spanish and French banking institutions with Turkey's economy. We suggest that despite of that the market is overextended with its current down move associated with Turkey's crisis. We already viewed some kind of comments that the exposure of European banking system to Turkey's economy is not so large as to call the current crisis a kind of European financial crisis. From that point of view, we suggest that already now we probably reached an interim lows in some of currency pairs, and starting from today and during the course of the week, probably the market will stabilize around current levels. That's why this morning we entered a small long position in the euro dollar, as well as some long position in euro yen and euro Swiss franc. Now we'd like to present our technical view why we decided to enter such long positions in the euro currency, despite of the fact that at the moment the euro currency is looking really very weak. First of all, let's see the euro dollar chart. At the moment the pair is trading around 114 barrier. The lows was printed around 130.60 during Asian hours. Anyway, during a possible extension to the downside, the pair should find a kind of strong support level around 111.86, where lies 61.8% FIBA retracement level, basing on the upsurge in the currency from the lows registered in 2016 January to the highs of from the lows of January 2017 to the highs of this year registered around 125.55. All in all, we suggest that around current levels, around the level of 112, the pair should find an interim floor and make a kind of a rebound. Anyway, at the moment the pair should find a kind of tougher barrier to the upside against former pivotal support barrier at 115. At the moment immediate kind of downtrend in the euro dollar located at 115.75, and while below that level the pair should look extremely bearish. As regarding the dollar yen is these Asian hours reached the lows of 110.11. Anyway, here lies not only psychological barrier 110 but also moving average 200 daily line around 109.95, and only in case of a real closing below that level the pair should extend its current move to the downside. That's why we suggest to stand aside at the moment from any positioning in the dollar yen. Anyway, we will look an opportunity. We will use an opportunity of a kind of uptick to 111.10 to sell the currency. Also, we will do the same in case of real closing below 109.95. As regarding some other currencies, probably here it will be really very interesting to understand the situation with the Swiss franc, which is also looking really very strong at the moment. That's because of its safe haven status. And as regarding the dollar Swiss, the situation is really very stable. The pair is still trading between inside of one figure range between 0.99 and the parity level. And now let's see the Euro Swiss currency, which is looking extremely interesting. This morning we plummeted to the levels below 113. The lows was registered around 112.86. That gave us an opportunity to enter a new long position in the Euro Swiss. We entered at 112.95. Probably it's a little bit premature to enter a long position in the currency. Anyway, we suggest that during the course of the week the currency will stabilize around current levels, because first of all we should find a kind of interesting support barrier located at 112.60, and also here lies the highs of February 2016, located at 111.99, 112. From this point of view, the level between 112 112.50 should present a tougher barrier to break to the downside for the Euro Swiss right now. And finally, some words about the Russian ruble. We should understand that Russian ruble is looking probably extremely weak at the moment because of current sanctions policy conducting by the United States against Russia. Also, we should take into account the current downside potential of energy prices, or the world energy prices. And all in all, from that point of view, the euro ruble could extend its move to the upside, but the barrier of this year's highs located around 80.50 should present a tougher barrier to break for the Russian ruble at the moment. As regarding the dollar ruble, it's looking really very strong after breaking above pivotal resistance barrier located at 65, and at the moment any kind of move below closer to this level, to the level of 65, should present an opportunity to buy the currency with a stop below. Thank you very much, dear friends. We wish you a nice starting of this week. It was your Future Trend channel. Bye bye for now.